Hi everyone, I am Charumati, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to explain about the topic called branding. First, we are going to see about the meaning of branding. In the words of Kotler, a brand is a name, term, sign, symbol, or design, or a combination of these that identify the maker or seller of a product or services. That is, if we want to identify a particular product by using the product's brand. For example, if we want to buy a soap, we can identify that soap with the brand name. Example, Lux, Hammam, Synthol, Dove. So each product we can easily identify from their brand name. And then next we are going to see about the definition. So the American Marketing Association defines a brand name as follows. Brand name consists of a word, letter, group of words or letters comprising a name which is intended to identify the goods or services of a seller or a group of sellers in order to differentiate them from those of competitors. So here what American Marketing Association is defining, a brand name, it is consisting of word. It is a group of words or some symbols, or it is expressed in letters, or it may be expressed in words, or it may be expressed in symbols, and then it is fully decorated and designed by the colors and then the symbols, and then it is intended to identify the goods or services of a particular seller. So its main motive is to identify the particular seller who is making the product and which comes from the producer of the product. And then it is also used to differentiate the product from that of the other's product, because in market we have different types of product, but it brand name only easily identify the product among them. And then in other words, brand name is that part of the brand that can be vocalized, and it consists of words, letters and numbers which may be pronounced. The same thing here only, it is again defined. So now we are clear with the meaning and definition. Now we are going to see about the brand loyalty. Second, here brand loyalty is explained as is the strong image and a brand as formed in the minds of the buyers, because brand loyalty it is creating the very good image, strong image in the minds of the buyers. A buyer with a high level of brand loyalty for a product will buy it repeatedly. Yes, of course, the buyer of high brand loyalty will often try the product and then he repeatedly use that product. He will never go to the other product or never switch over to the other kind of products. If that is out of stock, if he wants to buy that particular brand product, if it is also out of stock, he will wait for that product to buy and he never switch over for the others product. And then the following steps may be taken to achieve brand loyalty of customers. What are the steps we can see now? The quality of the brand should be consistently good, because the consistency level should be equally we have to produce the same consistent quality of the products that should be retain our customer. And then the price must be competitive, and then heavy promotional efforts and publicity should be undertaken through advertisements and then social medias. We have to advertise our product and then publicize our product to the customers. And then next we are going to see about the brand equity. Brand equity here refers to a value added to the same product and under a particular brand. because this makes one product preferable over others. And then this is the brand equity, which makes a brand superior or inferior to that of the others. I can say a best example for a brand equity, Apple product. Apple is the best example for brand equity. And then brand equity signifies as the net result of all investment and efforts that a marketer has put into building a brand. And a brand with strong equity is a very valuable asset to that producer. And then also it brings about the varying value in the marketplace. And then a powerful brand has high brand equity. So now we are clear with this brand equity. Next we are going to see about the advantages of branding. First one, the company will benefit from reduced advertising expenses due to popularity of its brand, because once we are given more effect to popularize our brand to the consumer, and then we can also make them to buy the product often. So this will create a popularity among the customers, and we then our advertisement expenses will go down. So this is one of the very good advantage of branding. And then next one is customers expect the dealers to stock products that have brand equity for such products. So the customers also longing for that particular brand, and also ask the dealers to stock for that particular product in their shops. And then the marketer can gain an upper hand while dealing distributors and retailers. So these are the one of the most important advantages of branding. So as of now, what we have discussed in this PPT: meaning of branding, definition of branding, and then brand loyalty, and then brand equity, finally advantages of branding. So now we are clear with the concept of branding. Thank you.